I am doing the wing it version of a one pot wonder ombre design. I'm just kind of estimating the mixing of colors instead of actually doing the math for it. It will work fine. I don't feel like measuring everything out. And this will still give me a pretty ombre. So I have 3 colors, a dark purple, almost black, purple, and white. And I am gonna basically pour an ombre. So I'm gonna do, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do white going in first. Because I have flowers to go on top and they're purple in light pink or light purple. So I want them to contrast with the dark. So the dark is gonna go in the pot last. So if you want to do this technique, I actually have a shoot. What did I just say? The dark needs to go into the pot last. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Let's try this again. It's not the end of the world. So the color that I pour in the pot, in this pot first, is the color that's going to come in last. So that's why I want this color first. Anyways, as I was saying, I have a full-blown tutorial. I will link the video in the description and at the end of this video with all the math and how to do a one pot wonder ombre precisely. I did this as a tutorial for Design Mania 3 years ago, I think. And it's such a fun, I really love the result. And again, I'm kind of doing the cheat method, the shortcut method. So this isn't like 100% a true ombre, but it's close enough. It'll give me the effect I want. So you can pour your one pot wonder anywhere in the pot you want. I'm pouring mine right down the center because I like this pour when it works. This pattern is just really pretty, especially with an ombre. So I really like it, and I'm hoping that this will work. Not the way I want, but you can pour it. I said if you pour it on just on either side, you'll get a fun pattern too. I've actually played with pouring it all different spots, even the back of the pot, and they all create fun designs. I think the key is having a fluid batter, but not too fluid when it comes to pouring this. So yeah. Also, it's a lot easier if you have a smaller batch. I'm doing a 5-pound batch. I'm actually doing a 10-pound batch, so I'm going to repeat this. But 5 pounds, the smaller molds are definitely easier. So now I'm just going to pour back and forth down the wall of the mold. And just keep doing that until I run out of batter. Okay, so this was the first one I poured, which I did the light to dark ombre. And then when I went to pour the second loaf, I was like, let's just reverse it. I don't know. I wasn't planning on it. It was a spur of the moment. And I was like, so I went dark to light. And I like it. I like the top, how it looks. They have two different feels to me with the flowers on them. But anyways, let's cut them both. See what the inside looks like. Considering this was kind of a cheap method or a wing it method of the One Pot Wonder Ombre, I'm curious to see what the inside gives us. So let's cut this. Okay, look at this. I love the top. Okay, the flowers, the purple, the pearls, just a little sparkle. And look at that cut. It turned out really cool. You get the wispy ombre effect without doing all the math. Oh, that one's really cool. I really love this technique, and anything with ombre just makes me smile. But yeah, isn't that pretty? Now I'm excited to cut the other one and see what I get for that one. I hope it turns out as pretty. Okay, are you ready to see this batch? This was the first one I poured. And it is very different from this one. Like, the white on the bottom managed to get itself all the way through the bar, which, don't get me wrong, I think is totally cool. I really love the look. But this was not what I was expecting, considering the pour, like where I poured it in the pot and how I poured it. But it's cool too. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's just so pretty. I'll take it. It's very different. It is not what I was expecting. I was expecting this, but in reverse. But both of them are pretty and unique in their own way, and the flowers are just gorgeous. So yeah, that's a win. I like it. I hope you like it. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? And can we admire the flowers? I just love the flowers. I will take it. Oh, I'm so happy when things turn out cool. Like, look at that. That's just so cool. Let me know what you think.